My name is Taylor Carlow. Here at River Valley Tractor, I am the service manager. I oversee the shop. I deal with the customers when they're bringing in units, when they have issues. I manage our technicians in the back, making sure that they are doing the proper work in a timely manner, and just kind of keep everything flowing in that process. I've always been, interested in the equipment and enjoyed being around it and working with it, and it just kind of was a natural fit. I've done sales also, but I really like that personal touch, and I feel like you get the initial sale with the sales department, but the service side is what builds the relationship, and that's what I enjoy most about it, is building that relationship with the customers and getting to know them and helping them, along their journey with whatever they're doing, whether it's, trimming up their yard or, working the farm or their cattle, and, making sure that it's as easy as possible. We have a great knowledge base here. The experience between the sales and the service and the parts staff, like I said, it goes very far. And we want to be there with that customer. We'll be to explain, hey, this is why this is the way it is, this is how this works, and maybe even give them some more tips along the way, because the majority of us have worked in those industries and have cut grass and worked cattle and farmed and the whole shebang. So we have experience from all those different industries. We're moving forward. That's the main thing, and we can't get there without the customers. And we've got a really great group of guys. We need the opportunity to show our improvements and to improve even more.